Guys, Jason and Nina here. We've got a 10-minute beach muscles workout. So we're going to do 10 to 1 bicep curls and push-ups. So yeah, a lot of people don't think bicep curls are functional, but you actually need strong shoulders and biceps are essential to that. So yeah, don't worry about the myth about not doing bicep curls not being functional. There is a function to that, to maintaining balance throughout your shoulder. All right, so we're going to do 10 curls first, Nina. I've roped her in, so let's go. 10 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to be a quick pump. Then we got 10 push-ups. Full ones if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're back to 9s. All right, it's going to catch up to us pretty quick. 1, 2. So staying strong through our body, not waving too much. I don't mind a little bit of the arms going behind. It's a bit like our running. We want to get some movement back in the shoulder there. 7, I think. 8. I'll say that was 9. 9 again. 1. Try and keep your back flat with push-ups. Don't arch like this. Tuck your bum under, core strong. 7, 8, 9. Ooh, 8 and 8. We're getting through it. 55 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to be pumped, Nina, all right? Let's go. 8 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you didn't think you could do 55 push-ups, you'd be surprised. All right, let's go. 7, 1, 2, really squeeze up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Fatigue's starting to kick in. 7.
Hello, Patreonos.
Patreonos!
Check out our latest Patreon releases.
Oh, what? He's there. Come on, show your legs.
It's my turn.
Yep.
Right, I'm done.
Patrono pole dancing for you.
Oh, yeah, I'm going.
All right, grab them.
To join, click the link in the description.
But it gets easier. The reps are going down. 7 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, guys. We're going to get it done in under 10 minutes. It's going to be easy. 6s. Let's go, Nina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that one was a bit harder. 6 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good reps. Try and maintain good reps the whole time. I know you're getting fatigued. 5 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Home stretch. Nearly there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, Nina. She's glad she got roped into this one. 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 push-ups. Let's go. Finish it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. We're nearly done. Keep going. 3s. 1, 2, 3. Stay strong. 3 push-ups. Come on, Nina. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. See if you can do 2 full push-ups, Nina. Full body. Let's go. 1, 2. There you go. You can. And 1 to finish. Ready? 1. 1 for 1. 1. Oh, there it is, guys. There's a quick workout you can do under 10 minutes. Arms, chest, biceps, triceps, all of it. Bit of core because you're stabilizing. So yeah, it's really important to strong and functional body is having strength in your upper body. So give this workout a go. Slow it down, go lighter weights, do the push-ups on your knees, But yeah, try and progress up. There it is. Nina joined in. Good on her for doing it. Thank you. See you guys.